Hi, today we're going to see how to create a shape cluster effect in GIMP. So first we need to create some guides here. So go to Image, Guides, New Guide by percent. The direction is horizontal and the position is 50%. Press OK. And now I'm going to add another guide. So go to Image, Guides, New Guide by percent. And now just change the direction to vertical and then keep the position to 50% and then press OK. And now select the rectangle selection tool. So now check the rounded corners and then the expand from center. And now I'm going to create a selection here from the center. So here it is. And now press enter to create the selection. And now I'm going to create guides here from this selection. So go to Image, Guides, New Guides from selection. So here are they. And now I'm going to reduce the size of this selection here. So go to Select, Shrink. I'm going to reduce it by 20 pixels and then press OK. And now I'm going to create guides from this new selection here. So go to Image again, Guides, New Guides from selection. So here are they. And now while the selection is active, so I'm still on the rectangle selection tool. Just on the mode here, click on Add to the current selection. And now I'm going to make my selections. So now first go to View, make sure the Snap to Guides here is checked. And now I'm going to uncheck the Expand from Center. And now I'm going to create my selections. So here, as you can see, they snap. Make sure to snap them on the first one here. We're going to use this gap here between the parts of the image here. So we're going to leave it blank. And now I'm going to create another selection here. So here, make sure it snaps. So here we still have the gap between the parts here of the image. So now I'm going to add this one here. So reduce it. So here it is. And now I'm going to add the last one. So here it is. So here it is. And now press enter to confirm selections here. So we have 5 parts. This one here, this one, this one, and this one, and this one here. And now right click on this layer here, add layer mask, and then check the selection layer mask and then add. So here, as you can see, on a layer mask, white represents opacity and the black transparency. So the selection layer mask will fill all the selections here with white, so it will make them visible and everything else with black, so it will hide everything else. So as you can see, it hid all the gap here. So now I'm going to right click and apply the layer mask. So here it is. And now I'm going to remove the selection. So go to Select, None. And now I'm going to remove the guides. So go to Image, Guides, remove all guides. And now I'm going to create a new transparent layer. So click on this icon, fill it with transparency and then press OK. And now place it under the person layer here. And now I'm just going to fill it with white. So here it is. And now select the person layer, this one here. I'm going to add drop shadow to it. So go to Filters, Light and Shadow. So here it is. Drop shadow. So here you can control the opacity here of the drop shadow. So here I think I'm going to leave it here like this and then press OK. And then I'm going to merge down these layers. So click on this icon, right click, layer to image size. So here it is. That's how you can create a shape cluster effect in GIMP. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day and till next time.